And that seems to be where 3D printing is stuck right now. You got these big companies out there that are stuck on building homes and thinking that that's what 3D printing is for. It's going to solve homelessness. Well, maybe it's more of it's going to provide more efficient concrete paddings for all of our roads around the world.
That's a very good point. It's like maybe this buildings are not the best application for it.
Yeah, it's nice to see someone looking at this from a infrastructure perspective.
And it's so easy to just get sucked into building houses or building, at least in the States, it seems like there's a lot of money in the affordable housing field, like proposing cheap, affordable homeless shelters using a 3D printer because it looks cool. But these people have said, no, you know what? We have found clients that want to use 3D printers for that particular application. We're going to run with that.
Who's to say that 3D printers are supposed to be used for architecture? And then I think about old-fashioned plastic printers and what the majority of people use those for, and how they seem to be very underutilized because people just go to Thingiverse and find what they want and just print that. And it's some sort of like little character that they want to sit on their desk, as opposed to using that plastic printer to make joints or make brackets or something. So we used the 3D printer to make little clips for our windows because those pieces had broken off. And I felt like that was a great application for them. We used them to make caps for our Unistrut, as opposed to just printing a little character and putting it on your desk.
Or a boat, because everyone starts out by printing a boat. So there's this guy on Instagram, Matt Benedetto, I think. So he runs an Instagram page called Unnecessary Inventions. I think I've told you about him before.
Oh, yeah, you've shown me that.
Incredible. Just his imagination, his creativity is out of this world. The way he uses 3D printers is awesome. So he invents something new every week that solves an unnecessary problem, a problem that doesn't exist. But he is not just going on Thingiverse and downloading something. He designs it and uses a 3D printer to turn that idea into reality. That is incredible.
And I'd love to see that application applied to concrete 3D printers. And that's what Hyperion's looking at.